Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable app drawer on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Well, by disabling the app drawer can result in a simplified and streamlined interface. All installed applications are displayed directly on the home screen, making them easily accessible without the need to navigate through an additional app drawer. Well, and then here are the steps. First thing first, please long press on any screen on your device. Okay, and then you can choose settings option. Well, after that, here you can click on home screen layout. Okay, and then here you can choose to activate the second option, home screen only. Okay, and then now the app drawer on your device is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to disable app drawer on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.